Meaning of fruit machine.
Fruit machine.
Fruit machine.
Fruit machine.
Fruit machine. A fruit machine is a type of gambling device found in casinos and other gaming establishments. It is also known as a slot machine, one-armed bandit, or poker machine. The name fruit machine originally came from the symbols on the reels that represented various fruits, like cherries, lemons, and oranges. When the reels spin, the player hopes to get a winning combination of symbols that will result in a payout. Today, fruit machines have evolved to include a variety of themes and features, but their basic mechanics remain the same.